What's up, guys? If you're receiving this email and you're watching this video, it's because that we have officially moved over to Discord. So that means that you have previously signed up to the course, whether you're continuing in the course or not. This is an offer to be invited back into at least the Discord channel. The free chat comes with a free signals chat. If you are a current subscriber, what you need to do is follow the next on-screen instructions in changing your Telegram username to your new Discord username. Of course, you're gonna have to sign up for Discord and putting it into your profile. So when it says, update on your profile, MoneyMovesInvestments.com, you just change we changed it from Telegram to Discord. That way you are gonna get an email with the invite link to our Discord channel. Join the chat, whether you're going to be part of the subscription or not. You can still be part of the community, see what we got going on in the free chat. Make sure you follow the Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube. But yeah, we're officially making the change over. I'm gonna go on the screen and show you guys what the Discord looks like in terms of the signals chat and how I categorize everything to show you what's new in Money Moves Investments Phase 2. So here, when you go to MoneyMovesInvestments.com, you just go to here and then my account. And when you go to my account, you see profile, and then you see all your information, companies, time zone, but you see Discord username, download Discord app or make an account. This is required in order for you to gain access to anything. And then your TradingView username. If you haven't changed it, you don't need to. But this definitely changed from Telegram to Discord. So please make a Discord and then apply it to here, save changes. Now, we're going to show you what the Discord looks like. This is the Money Moves Investments Discord. Here we have, the welcome, information, this disclaimer, info and rules. Here's where all the YouTube videos will be sent as well. We have the premium chat, trade ideas, team testimonials, how-to videos on how to use all the indicators. If you're part of the bot chat, you got the bot chat, and then we have the settings. So we can organize when people share settings for certain assets, organize them by the algorithm and testimonials. And then we have our free chat, and then free signals. And then we have the signals chat. Now you guys see that I have the Don. So there's Don Forex signals, indices signals, cryptos, and commodities. I do the same thing for the pullback. And as time progresses, I'm going to do the same thing for my other algos that I create, such as the scalper and the cheat code. We have the support area where you can open a ticket. And then one of the admins will go in and solve a problem that you may have. Voice channels, so that means that we're going to try out, instead of doing Zoom calls, we just jump in here for live calls when I want to do morning scalping and stuff like that. Here, meeting room where you guys can talk to each other. And then this would be the staff area for the admins and stuff like that. And that's pretty much our area. So yeah, make sure that you make a Discord if you haven't already. Update your profile on MoneyMovesInvestments.com. And then, if you're not going to subscribe at the moment, feel free to join the server anyway. Just make sure you update your information on the website, and you'll be allowed into the free chat with the free signals, still be able to join my live calls. And then also on the website, guys, we're also doing a 7-day free trial. If you go to MoneyMovesInvestments.com, you're allowed a 7-day free trial to the course where it gives you access to absolutely everything for 7 days, and then you'll be charged after. So with that being said, guys, welcome back. It's been a long month. For those that stayed around, those that know how hard me and the team have been working, for those that support what we do and believe in what we do, thank you for sticking around and believing in me and the team in general. I promise I won't let you down this time, and I don't think I did. It only goes up from here. We have big things coming up, and welcome back. Peace.